Okay, good morning, everyone. All right, today is 4th of January 2024. It is around 9:14 a.m. in the morning. Okay, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you guys have a fantastic time with your family. Okay, so let's start the analysis together. Okay, let's start with the news that we will be having for the rest of the week. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday, so we have FOMC meeting minutes. So going forward, yeah, we still have quite a bit of item. We have the German index, German CPI index, and unemployment claim. I think this will be a little bit important one, and the most important one is going to be tomorrow. Okay, so as usual, I will do my best. All right, I think should be okay. Should be my schedule should be clear. Tomorrow we will do the live. We will do the live non-farm payroll trade as usual. Our so-called our usual usual so-called calendar, right? So we will do that. All right. So these are the news and items that are coming in for today and tomorrow. Please take a look on that. All right. I hope you can hear me and see my screen. Okay. Let's start the analysis together. All right. Okay. Okay, last night we have, by the way, last night we have this link already made quite decent money out of it already. Yeah, we have been holding for past 4 days, right? 4 or 5 days, right? Then because of the yesterday the down move, it hit our profit already. Okay, so all right, congratulations. So let's start. Okay, on as usual again on your left is our CFD chart. On our right, it's our future chart. Okay, I will go a little bit slow and just go with the flow. Please. This is recorded, by the way. Okay. So what do we have? All right. We have we have let's start with our market composition. Okay. I have already posted. All right, market composition say that. Let me see. Let me check my another screen. Okay, market composition is we are talking about a little bit slightly bearish in terms of weekly overall, right? Weekly overall. So I think this is kind of like true. The market overall is dropping, right, for the week so far. Okay, but it's not a strong one, not strongly bearish or whatever. Okay, let's take a look what the retail traders are doing. Retail traders are minus 55. So what they are doing right now is pretty much in the middle, right? Minus 50, minus 50 plus 50 doesn't really matter, right? So look at the yesterday price action. Okay, what is really doing right now? Yesterday price action, I would say they are just bouncing off from this support level, which is I think they have all the reason to do so. So now we can identify support is 1.26 and the resistance for this matter is I would say 1.275. So look at the yesterday candle. It's slightly on the bullish note. All right, yesterday candle is slightly on the bullish note. I would say market will likely to go a little bit slightly bullish in my opinion. Not a strong one. Okay. So look from the volume spread analysis, you can see from the volume spread analysis, we have a good run up here. All right, during this period. All right. Then after the market just take off and I think if you watch my previous video, I have gave a bit of warning that hey, there was no volume that associating or following this push up. So it turned out to be a true. We have one so-called resistance, another attempt they rush, then they really just push the market really to go lower. So I think what's gonna happen is the market will drift around a little bit here, and I will say market still can really go and retest this level in my opinion. So going forward, I am only slightly bullish because the good level of support could have been around this region, so which is here, all right? So I think the bottom is not really in yet. So let's see. Okay, well, please do not please do not long with a very big lot. Okay, follow closely only. So I'm just weekly slightly bullish only. Okay, all right. No recommendation at all. I don't really see anything contradicting factors at this moment. Okay, moving on. Euro USD. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on the euro. Okay, euro is retail traders. Okay, retail traders, this guy is a bit exciting. They are plus 70, they are plus 74. Okay, that mean the market is going down, right? Market is going down and they are adding long. The retailer, they like to defend their price, right? They are always they are most of the time they are on the wrong side of the market. It go down, they will add position. So yesterday it was plus 56, now they are plus 74. I would say the market haven't really go to very how to say very significant level yet. What I mean is that they were plus 56 yesterday, right? Then further they add some more, now they are plus 74. 74 is a little bit of getting a stream, but not really a so strong one yet either. So I think they will drift a little bit lower in my opinion. All right, so slightly bearish per se. Okay, not a really good time to buy at all at this moment. Okay, so retail traders are doing like this. So I think they were likely to do something like this in my opinion. No hurry to long at all. I think market will drift back to 1.09 in my opinion, or even lower. The good support could have been this swing level of 1.088. I think it could retest in my opinion. All right, it could retest in my opinion. So let's see how it goes. So slightly bearish at the moment as well. So markets are a little bit like, after a big move, they are kind of like slowing down. But I think that this guy is pretty strong on the downside. I think it will continue to do so. Okay. And if you notice, last night I post my market composition read up in our group, right? This week should be quite moving toward the bullishness of the US dollars. Okay, so I think all our direction should be more or less pointing into that direction. All right. Aussie, all right. Aussie quite similar. They are also plus 72, quite similar to euro. I think they can go a little bit lower. Currently, Aussie is a bit meeting in terms of technical. They are meeting a bit of the volume profile here. That's why they are kind of like being slowed down. But I think sooner or later they will retest, in my opinion. Right? They will retest, in my opinion. So it is better to wait for a pull back further, in my opinion. Okay, I'm also slightly bearish. So you can see the real good level, that if you really want to long, this is a very good ultimate support level. So we are a little bit long way to go, in my opinion. Okay, so look at the yesterday candle, the price action is not really bullish at all. Then someone is very far from the strong support. So I mean, it's almost random already, the percentage of probability. All right. So the good next level should be here, 0.668 level, and then another strong support level will be around 0.663. So I don't think it's a good time for you to buy because there's no edge at all. Almost, I would say 50-50, right? Okay. Our job is to analyze all the available trades, available pair, and look for the, most probable one that we think of. All right. Because we want the odd on our side, right? If there's no odd, nothing really so clear, not really so advisable to, get in, because you may make money. Of course, there's a chance of you will not make money also. And if you look at all the chart, and all the time, if you see a trade signal, it's also not nice. That mean the trading system that you are using is not really so stringent. All right. Okay, so let's start. Continue. Sorry, let's continue with the New Zealand. Same problem, same issue. Okay, so New Zealand is plus 52. Okay, let's look from our market composition point of view. Okay, market composition say, let's see. Market composition say is okay. Market composition is a neutral or the slightly bearish mode. Okay, you know why already. Our small traders are at the highest in 1 year. That means market was really pretty much overbought. That's the reason why market was really coming down. All right, so I think they can drift a little bit lower for sure. All right, so we have a little bit more odd on going down than going up. Okay, so I think they can go to like 0.62, this kind of stuff. All right, so, and of course, slightly bearish as well. Stay biased on slightly bearish mode. Okay, so we just just a quick summary. Everything against US dollar is so far quite weak. Okay. All right. So another one is gold. Okay. Okay, we have a very big sell down yesterday. I think it is kind of like expected. Just now before the recording, I already explained to you what happened to silver, yeah? So, they are in a similar direction. Gold and silver move in the same direction most of the time. I mean, almost 99% of the time. The only difference is sometimes one of the time move up a lot, and another guy move up a little bit only, but the direction is still the same. Okay. So market really come down because we have an overbought situation, right? Overbought situation. Now they are coming back to a little bit back to the I would say it's a balanced situation right now. The retail traders, right? Retail traders, they are plus 51. So, they are really scared, and they are not really like taking any strong direction. So I think market were a bit drift on the sideway, in my opinion. Right, so they have a little bit of slightly bearish tendency with the drifting kind of like a sideway, in my opinion. And should you long or not? I would say definitely not. If you ask me, I mean, come on, choose one. I mean, like choose one, right? So which one? So I would say, okay, if you want me to choose one, I would say bearish, because look at the yesterday price action. The retail traders, look at the yesterday price action. The price action is pretty stay on the downside, right? So the trend is stay down. The market participant are stay overall slightly bearish. So if you want to long, you need to wait minimum one more day, right? At least let it show you with some price action first. Okay, so I would say is they were likely to retest here also. So stay downside, guys. Stay downside. Okay, so neutral or slightly bearish. Definitely not bullish. Okay. Okay. So currently the retail traders are plus 50, 51. I already explained to you. So that would be better. The market go back up a bit, then retail trader become minus 80, minus 80 and stuff like that. Then we will look for a short again. All right. So far a bit balanced already, and maybe you need to wait if you want to sell again. Okay, so look for the silver. Wow, silver, you see, just now I already explained to you why the silver is going down, right? Okay, the retail traders are highest in 1 year, right? So too much buys are really pile up on the one side. So what I think gonna happen is that the market will likely to drift a little bit lower first. I think at least they were likely to go here, in my opinion. Look at the yesterday, the price action, pretty on the strong one as well. So I think it will go further. Okay, look from the volume point of view, you see the market there are a lot of volumes coming in here. There are a lot of volume coming in here, and there are a lot of volume in yesterday. So you see, there was a tree push that we can see for the past few weeks. So I think what will happen is the market may drift a little bit higher, but every push up will be met by some strong pullback. All right. So I don't think market will go all the way up, like this lah, in my opinion. So I think they have a lot of overhead, very strong ceiling. These are the ceiling now. So, well, I think market will likely to go lower, in my opinion. All right. So the buying is a bit out of the question. I think US dollar strength is back here. Okay. So add accordingly. Okay. Add accordingly. All right. Everybody okay so far? So everything against US dollars is kind of bearish. So what does it mean? Of course, everything from the US dollar point of view, it is bullish, right? So market likely to go up higher. So you see this thing, last time I predicted that market will go here, right? It's already come true already. So I'm gonna delete. Okay, so now we are on the flip side already. Market is going back up. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we have a very strong swing back. All right, so market is kind of like a meet some resistance per se. This is the level, this is the level. And I think it's going up, going forward. I think market will do something like this, in my opinion. Okay, nonetheless, the trend is pretty much on the on the upside. Okay, so I think it is just the beginning. All right, I think more to go, in my opinion. I think more to go, in my opinion. You can see this guy have a very good push. Okay, by the way, this is the Canadian dollars. This is the US dollar Canadian. So you have to, you have to understand that they are indirect, they are oppositely proportionate. So that means this guy go down, and this guy is going to go up, right? This guy is going to go up. So you must be aware of this, huh? So you see the real push or real volume was here, right? Real push or real volume was here. The rest are pretty, I would say, it's not much, not much important. So since they are going down, I think the market can drift to this level, in my opinion. Can we see that? So which day was it? Let's take a look. Just to, you can see by the date itself. 14th of December, right? So where was the 14th of December? 14th of December is here, right? So I am talking about potential of hitting this level like that. Okay. So I think we are still in a bullish mode, so I'm still on the bullish mode, put it this way. Still on the buy side, gentlemen. Okay. And another one is US dollar CHF. Should be the same. Okay, by the way, did you read my write-up on US dollar CHF in our group or not? Did you read or not, gentlemen? I posted up under Forex section. Okay, I posted under, wait, posted up under Forex section. Did you read? Okay, I posted it under Forex section. Do you read or not, gentlemen? Okay, I said that it will likely to go 0. I think the few days back, the market have a very good, what we call it, the pin bar forming. It was like 3 days ago. I was saying that, okay, market will likely to go to 0.8511, I think around that region now, right? So it's really turned out to be true, right? Yesterday, it really go up. I mean, they really overshot until 0.85 3 or 4 level. So it's overshot by 30 pips, but the direction is correct. Okay, so market really have a good run. So I think going forward, we're likely to be in that sense, in my opinion. Same thing, we have a very good push here. After that, even though the market doing nothing, the market continue to go higher, then we have another thing here. So what is happening right now is that this is one level and this is one level. So what is happening right now is this is support, okay, and this is a resistance. So I think market will drift up slowly to hit this resistance soon, in my opinion. Okay, they may not go immediately for sure. All right, they will do a bit of retest here and there, but eventually I think this guy will retest to this level, in my opinion. So overall, stay bullish. All right, so I'm going to change this projection a little bit, because yesterday the projections have already come ready. Hang on. Okay, there we go. So what I'm seeing right now is this is a likely case scenario. Okay, so let's see, gentlemen. So I think it will stay overall, stay bullish for US dollar CHF. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on the US dollar JPY. Okay, before that, US dollar CHF, yeah, the retail traders are plus. Let me see, retail traders already up and traders. Let's see. Okay, retail traders, hang on. Retail traders are plus 86%. Oh, that means they are stubbornly, they are plus 86%. That means, okay, let me go through this scenario again. So market went down, retail trader at long position, right? Because they want to fight the market. Let's say they are plus 50. Market go down further, they are losing money, but they stay at further, plus 60. Go further, enter is very, like extreme, which is plus 80. So currently they are stay plus 80, So that means retail traders are, stay losing a lot of money, So what they will do is, as the market go up higher, they're going to reduce the long position. Same thing, they will fight the market again. They will reduce the long and they will increase short until they become what? Minus 80-ish. So I think we call it so-called unwinding, right? I think the unwinding will likely to continue further. So far, due to this extreme case scenario, will be KIV this guy. So instead of the rest, this guy still have a bit of tendency to go up even higher. All right. I think they will retest this level 0.8855 or even higher again. Okay. So we have one KIV ready. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So going to US dollar JPY. All right. US dollar JPY is same issue. US dollar is strong. The rest are weak. Okay, retail traders plus 50 only. So okay lah, nothing much on that. They don't know what to do. So I think market will likely to drift up higher in my opinion. All right. So they will likely to retest even the projection level. So I'm of course slightly bullish on that guy as well, or rather bullish for this case. Look at the yesterday candle. Okay, I have to give in to yesterday candle, right? Look at the yesterday candle, very strong, very, like we call it bullish engulfing. So you can see here, this is such a very strong bullish candle. And look at here, this is a very good so-called monthly control. So 142.5 is a good support level. I think they will definitely will retest here and even beyond, in my opinion. I think this guy also very promising. All right. So next should be 1.144. So we are talking about another 60-point move up. And another strong one will be 145. So we are talking about 160-point move up. So, all right. But in terms of retail trader point of view, they are only minus 59. So, I mean, they are not anywhere biased on any extreme. Okay. So, okay, I'm bullish on this guy as well. So I would say we have two KIV, put it this way. All right. We have US dollar CHF long potentially, and we have US dollar JPY long. Okay. All right, let's move on. US market. All right, US market. Let's go on. US market. Good job on US market. They have been really going up. People think the market is going to go one-way street all the time. Let's see. Trading is a probability game. Okay. If you put your so-called try to think that, oh, I buy so the market have to go up. This is not the right way to think really. Okay, try to see everything as a probability. Okay, so what is happening right now? Wait, let me get some water. What is going on right now? Okay. Okay, let me see what is going on this fella. From the market composition point of view, all right, they have a very strong push up. All right, then okay, I noticed something already. Okay, from the market composition point of view, I wrote it at neutral because I would say there was a big reduction on the open interest. So that means market is not, I mean, whatever the prevailing trend is, they are no longer strong. I mean, they are taking their position out from the market itself. I mean, when you take position out, the market is not no strength, right? So that's why I was writing on the neutral tone. So I think it's not to be true. The real move up is a little bit kind of over. So I think we are due for a kind of nice pullback, in my opinion. I think it should easily go to 37.3 or even a little bit lower, in my opinion. So, go with the flow. Look at the yesterday candle is very strongly bearish as well, right? So I think very chance of going lower is more, I mean, going more possible than they're going higher. So I think market will likely to go lower. All right. So 37.3, it will likely to happen. So I would say it's bearish. All right. I would say it's bearish. Okay. Another one is Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. Hong Kong, we have already have a kind of like very big sell down. I think this is kind of like I will not say it's predictable, but it's not really so surprising lah. But Hong Kong, look at where we are right now. It is already meet some support level already. So at this level, should you short or not? I would say not so high chance already. Okay, because I think shorting here is a lot better, right? I mean, of course, it's obvious, like it's already happened. But anyway, that we are at this so-called the balance level already. So I will be say it's slightly bearish or neutral, not strongly bearish at all. So let's see how it's go. Okay. But the moment they manage to break strongly this level, then I think market will likely to go lower. All right. So neutral and a slightly bearish there. Okay. So Hong Kong, no edge lah, put it this way. Okay, let's move on. Index. Okay, that's having really going up without any anything at all. I don't know. Like DEX, like wow, very strong. Like there's nothing really to be strong about, but very strong. Okay, this is what the market is, right? You see, but you see, for the past 2 days, you have a very strong pin bar and stuff like that. Now they are coming back down. I think they will definitely will go a little bit lower for sure. I would say they will go to 16.4 region in my opinion. Okay, so market will likely to drop lower. Okay, just keep in mind, just keep in mind, sometimes they don't go immediately. Okay, why? Because there was a very big two volume here. So that means there are a lot of fighting going on still here. So what I think might happen is that I think the market will likely to hang on, let me take it away first. Market will likely to do a bit of bounce, can be so easy, right? Trading can be so, and they will go like this. All right, okay. So what should we do? We should look for a DEX sell at the higher level. I would say 16.8. Now it's 16.67, right? So I think 16.8 will be a good level for your entry. All right. So wait and sell will be the best choice in my opinion. All right. So but at least stay on the sell side. Don't buy at all. Okay. All right, let's move on. So same thing. I mean, every pair or every instrument pointing to the same direction. Market is doing a pullback right now. I think it's due for a pullback, and US dollar is back in so-called back in the line, right? All right. WTI. Okay, WTI is the only one that a little bit resilient. Okay. WTI is the only one that resilient. Okay, let's see. Hang on. Okay, so if you want to know why, go and read my market composition that I posted yesterday, right? There was a summary in it, and look at the last line. Okay, look at the last line, and you will get why I mean by is resilient. Okay, so not bad. The WTI got some chance. So if you want to buy any commodity or anything like that, I think WTI have some chance in my opinion. I think they were likely to drift up to this level, 74.1, $75 level. Okay, nonetheless, going up further will be a little bit difficult because we have quite a bit of resistance that covering $74 to $76 for a while. Okay, so anyway, immediate possibility or probability, I think it will go back up to $74. Okay, so it's of course it's bullish lah for now. I already tell you already. Please go and gentlemen, please do me a favor, go and check out on the market composition that I wrote up last night on the crude oil. Okay. So corn and soy and wheat. Okay, among these three soft commodity, I would say, if you want to buy, not really a good time for you to buy corn or soybean. All right, just now I already explained to you why so already. I would say wheat is the only good looking in terms of on the buy side. All right, so let's take a look on wheat, gentlemen. There's some signs of bullishness is there. Of course, it's too early to tell. Okay, so I would say we have a bit of a further up move possible. Need to be tip and toe. Okay, how I know? Because we have a push here and we have another steady of push here. All right, we have another steady of push here. Other than that, here is really nothing much. So, and when the market is coming down, they have a bit of push coming back in. So I would say the very good support having this zone. All right, I would say this zone. So anything can happen in between. The main market can easily go down as well. All right, or even can go back up as well. The point here is that as long as this region is not broken, I think the 560 region, I think we have a bit of chance of going up, going back up again. So market can do like this, market can do like this, or market can do like this. So there's a three scenario. All right, so keep that so-called play in mind. So I think market will likely to drift eventually higher. So I would like to carry this fella as well. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So not today I will be buying. Maybe tomorrow or Monday. Let's take a look. Okay. So carry on this guy. Okay, now let's take a look on the infamous BTC. All right, I have already explained to you why I was not so bullish on BTC for the past 1 week, right? I already explained to you just now. So this is where is it, and I think the retail traders are really get smashed. Of course, money have to be made, right? So they trap retail trader. They think the market is going to go up, then the retail traders all buy in, then they just close the curtain. All right. So I think what is happening right now is that currently it's not really a good price to sell anymore. Of course, the best price for us to sell could have been here, right? Right. So currently not really a good price for us to sell at all. But I think it will not go away immediately. Okay, if you want to buy, I would say it can go a little bit further first. Maybe can go to here, can go to this level, all right, or even go lower, this kind of level, in my opinion. And look at the yesterday candle. Even though we have a very strong pin on the lower end, it is overall stay the bearish candle, right? So, today is not a time for you to buy at all, because we need at least price action. I mean, of course, if you are on the lower time frame trader, like different, no, I will not say lower. I mean, lower time frame and different time frame trader, of course, you will see differently. But for a trader like me, I based on daily or even weekly, I would say leave it stay too early for long, in my opinion. All right. Okay. So I think they will go back to revisit like 42K possibly. All right. I also mentioned that, compared to where we are right now, and for the past few days, of course, the past few days could have been a better sell kind of, condition. So overall, stay bearish to me, in my opinion. All right. So 42K stay retouchable. Okay. So I don't suggest you to long at all at this moment. At least, okay, at least you should wait for bullish candle to materialize first. So I'm still bearish, gentlemen, for this fella. Okay, natural gas. Natural gas should be pretty much similar to crude oil. All right, so they are quite resilient. All right, quite resilient. A few days back, I have a gentleman. We have a chat over the natural gas. I think he long. Of course, the market didn't really immediately take off, and I think currently definitely he's making money now, because he long a few days back here. So if he's watching right now, you send me a PM and buy me a roti prata. Okay. Okay. So I think now, should you long or not? I would say stay on the bullish note, but of course, we have a bit of risk there. I think they will likely to go to this region, in my opinion, 2.8, this kind of stuff. All right. So, I mean, too early to talk about anything sell. We are still on the bullish run up. So the next move will be 2.8. All right. So stay bullish, gentlemen. All right. So just let's have a quick recap. All right. So anything against US dollars, especially currency are quite weak. Like for example, like a euro, British pound, and all those things are quite weak against US dollars, right? And of course the stock market also not really so bullish at all. They might be due for a pullback. Okay, this pullback is like a major sell down or not, of course, I cannot see anything so big yet. All right. pullback likely first, at least. Okay. Like one whole year will go down on that one. I don't think so. All right. But anyway, for now, is pullback is here to stay. All right. So I would say, for example, like US dollar will climb up higher. Okay, except we can see that there's a two commodity are quite resilient, right? The first one, I mean, all the oil based energy based. Okay, put it this way, energy based. So for example, oil is quite bullish, not bearish at all, surprisingly, and of course, and also natural gas. Okay, so these sectors are a little bit resilient at this moment. Okay, I have since today is the Thursday, I don't really have so much recommendation right now. I have a few of KIV. I'm watching them. US dollar CHF on the upside, US dollar JPY on the upside, long side, and also soybean on the upside. Okay, soybean is totally in the least in the priority, because soybean, I think minimum we need to wait until next week, in my opinion. Sorry, not soybean, wheat. All right, so I repeat, we have three. The first one is US dollar CHF long. Second one is US dollar JPY long. You choose either one. Another one is wheat long. We have three of them. All right. So thank you very much, guys. I see you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow for the live section. Okay, I am around. Of course, anything I see anything, I will post up in our group. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Yeah, and have a great day ahead. Okay, see you in the group. Bye for now. Thank you. This is recorded. I will post it up immediately.